ook mensla baie drank fruitkap. Okay, but remember.
What's your business?
Yeah. You want to wrestle?
Jy kyk as jy wil squeen hè, daai mannetjie gaan vir julle neersit nie.
Hierdie ene wil squeen.
Nee, hy squeen, hy fok hom, hy plat. As jy wil squeen, dan praat jy met oom Chris. As jy wil pak kry, dan praat jy met kaptein
You
Duivel.
must speak English with these guys, eh?
Yes,
They don't understand,
yes.
eh?
Yeah. If you want a full heart, you talk to Captain Devil.
Where's Captain Hook?
On the ship.
Is jy drink wat jy dink?
I always,
Yeah.
we go for the right one. Okay, but like, the moment we're standing like this, it's like an illegal gathering.
Why illegal?
We must spread out. So op die vijand gaan ons
Disperse.
Huh?
Please disperse.
Ja.
Vir die wind met die.
Ek wil ook nou 'n bietjie speel, dat hierdie kak net uit my lyf.
I think it's all right to have this kind of gathering. Mr. Kid Boy is not here.
That gathering.
Yeah.
Disposal. Please.
You can disperse.
That one is
Geen wapens is
okay, but these
You can go here and hold them. But where are we going to stand?
we will play also.
Charabe. Malayo naman
Ano ba mga kasama? Gusto niyo ba ituloy ba ito? Oh, rugby na lang, rugby. Ano? Gusto niyo ba ituloy? Tuloy hindi. Tuloy hindi.
Yeah.
O, doon tayo sa baba. Tara.
Go. Tayo sa baba. Guys.
Let's go to fucking bitch. Nobody but you. Go! Rugby!
Nakatangi, video to. Bilis! Kayo na, huli na kayo. Rodolph! Hoy, baliktad yan oh.
Every person that you meet in life, the person learns something from. And I can truly say in my heart today that I learned a lot from each and every one of you. And there's not one person truly that I can say, I can put my finger on. That I say, you know, this man is not competent. Each and every person standing here is competent in what they do. And you know what, we cannot be a winning team if it wasn't for each and every one of these. I know it's not an easy project. We've got a lot of difficulties and you all know that. But I want to thank each and every one of you for getting this project to a stage where it is now. And I'm sure we will push it through until the end. And I thank for everybody's support. Guys, thank you very much. We appreciate it.
All right.
Yes!
Next manager in the future of Mr.
Aubrey.
Additional message, sir.
He's nervous.
Tommy said, we appreciate what you guys are doing on site for us.
Can we believe?
Guys, everything that you guys have done so far, like Tommy said, it is a difficult site, but we have pushed through, and we will get through it all. And we just need to enjoy and relax today because it's still going to be a while. Guys, thanks.
Woo! Yes.
So, any additional to the supervisor, Mr. James or Mr. John not coming?
Sir Neil.
Sir Neil.
Ah, Sir Neil.
Trainer, Mr. Joshua also.
I told you enough, my man.
What about him behind you?
Yeah.
He's just gonna tell you to drink. You go in the middle. That's for us.
Guys,
Ah.
it's been good. It's been bad. But it's not too at all.
How about James, Mr. James?
Mr. James. I think we'll do our talking on the pitch, man.
Now, guys,
Mr. Aubrey wants to say something.
No, Mr. Oki.
Mr. Okay, Mr.
Yeah, Neil.
Mr. Oki.
Okay. I'm not in the senior. Okay. You know what, guys? This is easy. I don't know all of you, and I'm new here. But with a team like you, I can take on this whole Madagascar. Thank you.
What about Mr. Jagger? Mr. Jagger.
Miss Jagger.
You happy?
Ah, with the Bruce. With the Bruce.
Mr. Bruce.
Okay, move on. Okay, now, do we have something, presentation for the group or not?
Yeah, for
the
your
night
group.
shift.
How about the night shift?
How about the night shift? Okay. Oh, after this one, we will prepare. And then about the games, we must divide the team. The white guys, the Filipino, like this one.
What the fuck is white color? Richie, wait. What is my color then?
Okay, like this one. Okay. Oh, if you agree, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then all one.
We've got
One
to
group,
run.
and then all number 2, one group, number 3, one group, and then number 4, one group.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Okay, that will be fine. Oh, we'll
Okay.
let's count.
Okay, let's.
Yes. Well, to be fair. Just to be fair. Even our boss, give it like. Okay.
Kanto, pre.
Sir Nobre.
Hey.